Hello guys, so I just came out from the shower. I haven't taken a haircut in a while, so my hair is quite long. But that doesn't mean that I cannot look good. I have to go to a very important event soon, and I want to look ready. For that, I'm gonna use 3 products from Pete and Pedro. This is the first one, second one, and the third one. So let's see how to do it. First product we are using is Salt by Pete and Pedro. I really like this one because whenever you have the long hair like mine, and my hair actually turns a bit curly as you can see, but right now it's kind of wet, but it's not wet with salt, and that makes the difference. Because as soon as we apply a little bit, as you can see, my hair turns much more wavy. It's the effect of salt. It's like when you go to the sea, take a bath, get out, and I like that because now I can shape the hair I want. I can get this little curl like Superman, and it looks pretty cool. And in just a few seconds, honestly, not even a minute, we got the look that we want. So now we get that look that is a bit messy but still elegant. We're gonna see the padding. This one is pretty cool. I'm not a big fan of using brass, and I think most men don't, so it's nice to get just a decent amount of it, to put it in our hands until it's warm. And now we put it into our hair. I love this because before we got the volume with the salt, and now we can stylish our way. It dries very quickly, and still, even when it's dry, you can handle it to get the look that you want. Lastly, to be ready to go, what we're gonna use is the freezer. I love this one because it's really cold, and it actually makes that once you get the look, you can just make it stylish with just a little bit. This is how you get the look that you want. Is gonna remain probably more than 24 hours. Now I'm ready to go.